Did somebody say curly bang wig? Oh, okay. You need one? Oh, she cute. All right, y'all. Let's get into this wig sent from UNice Hair. This is their curly water wave bang wig. It is a curly finger coil wig, and it's a 7x5 lace. So this is what the wig looks like. I did brush it out just a bit to see if it was wearable straight out of the packaging. Didn't like the curls that much, so I went in with my Nairobi styling foam, and that's what I'm using to define the curls. I will say these curls look so much better defined. They are really, really pretty curls. After I define the wig, I do go in with my diffuser, and that's basically it, y'all. Now let's talk about the bang. The bang is cute. I wanted to leave the original curls in there because I felt like the curl pattern was really nice, but eventually I do go in and define the bang as well. Now if you don't like this slither of a bang, if it's not enough hair for you, you can go in and add some more hair and just cut the bang to your liking. But I think it's pretty cute. I'm not mad at it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Look how these curls came out, girl. Let's see. How it look? Alright, y'all, I'm finished. These are my end results. It turned out so pretty. I did go in and define and diffuse the bang just to see what it looks like. I am wearing this wig glueless as well, just in case y'all wanted to know. To see. And if you want to know what it looks like as a side part, here you go. Really cute.